Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble a Ruger Mark III 22 long rifle pistol. I've had this for several years. It's what they call the old style Ruger. First of all, we want to drop our mag. Make sure we're clear, we're in good shape. And if you got your internal safety on, you want to remove it, take it off. Reinsert your mag. Pull your trigger. Remove your mag again. You can't break it down with the hammer cocked. It's got to be unloaded. Can't put it on safety. You can use a paper clip on this. It's pretty stiff. Lift that up. That'll pull out. And it should pull down. Tap it down, it'll come right out. Now you want to reinsert your mag. Point it up in a safe direction. Pull the trigger. Your bolt will come right out of it. Then you want to take a 9mm hammer, hit the back of your receiver. That'll break your barrel loose from your grip. And that's a total breakdown of the Ruger Mark III 22. Now we're going to put everything back together. You want to make sure you're in your fire position. You want to make sure your hammer is cocked all the way down flat. Make sure your hammer spring is over your little rod here, and we are. That ensures it's all the way cocked flat. And you can see on the front of your pistol you've got a little square cutout here, a little lug that goes on the front part of your pistol. You've got a little lip right here that'll go into that. It'll sit down flush. Now you want to take your 9mm hammer, tap on your base of your receiver here, and then you'll see the back of the pistol will barely hang over the back of the pistol. You're all the way locked in now. Just a little bit of a ridge right there. You want to make sure your bolt lock is all the way down. Should slide right in place. And once you get your bolt installed, install your mag. Point the pistol down at the ground, pull the trigger, and that should release your hammer all the way in a forward position. If it doesn't, you can push it forward from the back of the receiver or all the way forward. Remove your mag again. And you want to reinstall your barrel pin. It should push up, lock in place. I'm going to tap it just a little bit. And once you get your pin in, if you don't have spring tension, open it back up, point your pistol up. That'll make sure your spring tension on your plunger lines up, and you should have spring pressure. And we do. and reinsert your mag. We're in good shape.